Hello guys, welcome back to my channel firant-teys. My name is Naveen and today in this video I'll be showing you my workplace. Pumphouse Point is located 250 meters out on Lake St. Clair, Australia's deepest lake. It has a 360-degree view of Cradle Mountain, Lake St. Clair National Park, which is part of Tasmanian Wilderness World Heritage Area. It's a 2.5-hour drive northwest of Hobart, Tasmania's capital city. I have been working at the pump house for almost 2.5 years. It's a magical place to work, lovely people, co-workers, and especially great and amazing guests. That's the reason I'm here for so long. Hello Joanna, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you today?
I'm well, how are you?
I'm good. This is for my vlog, okay? Thank you for giving your time. I just want few things regarding the property that you have to just tell me, so that will really help me for my vlog as well. And I can show the people where I'm working, how is the place, and what's the history about the pump house.
Of course.
Would you please tell me the history about pump house?
And so the pump house was built in 1930 together with the shore house, which I'm sitting in now. It was built as part of Tasmania's hydroelectricity scheme, so to make electricity for the state. So there's a town about 50 k's away called Tarraleah. So there's 4 big turbines underneath the pump house that would pump the water down through the flume, which is like the jetty, into our lagoon, into the Derwent River and down to Tarraleah, and then that would be turned into electricity for the state. It was used for about 10 years as a backup for some of the pumping, but then they did some damming further up on the river, and they decided they no longer needed the pump house. It was just used for maintenance until about 1993. And then Simon Current saw the pump house with his daughter and decided it would make a great hotel. So he tendered for it and again, and I think in 2015 it finally opened as accommodation like what it is today. So yeah, there's 19 rooms, so 12 in the pump house and 6 here in this building.
With the dining hall, isn't it?
With the dining hall, yeah. So it's had quite an interesting
Retreat got, isn't it?
Retreat, yes. Yeah, it was built extra. Yeah.
Thank you, Joanna. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. Namaste. Yeah. The two iconic industrial buildings, once operating as a hydroelectric station, quietly gaze at one another. The pump house over the water and the storehouse over the land. The rooms themselves are less important here. Think of it more like a lodge. It's about connecting to the wilderness. So you won't see art on the walls or access to Netflix. In fact, there's no Wi-Fi here at all. But we can help you with urgent matters at reception. Stepping out of your comfort zone is all part of the experience. Spacious communal lounges, honesty bars, and wood fires are in both buildings. They all have spectacular views, and regardless of which room you choose, you are welcome to drift between them at any time. Dinner and breakfast are in the storehouse dining room every day. The pod is our new wellness space, created for quiet contemplation, relaxation, or movement. Float to one of our virtual yoga classes, or enjoy your own self practice, or simply sit, reflect, and enjoy the serenity. Located behind the reception. Then there's our exclusive private retreat, a spacious and luxe option tucked in the forest for one couple to have all to themselves. Pumphouse Point is home to many furry huts, wallaby, echidnas, native quolls, possum, wombats, and the famous Tassie devils, and a wide variety of bird life. Keep your eyes peeled for the brown trout and the elusive platypus, seen swimming by the flume.
There he goes. Which one? You ready?
From the saddle of our e-bikes, you'll find the secrets beyond your bushwalking limits. Pedal slowly, you have got all day and the bikes are free. Visit reception. Out on the jetty, our little boats await. Watch dragonflies dabble, find the elusive platypus, gain a whole new perspective. Let the lake guide you.
Are you having a good time, Jeffy? Love that. Hello.
Hello.
What a beautiful day. Thank you, Chef, for this.
Oh, you're welcome,
Today
mate.
I learned how to row the boat.
Yeah, good.
It's the first experience.
You can't rely on this
Although
then.
it's been 2 years at Pumphouse, the first day. The first time I'm here.
Sorry, you might want to say that again. So.
Make sure you like and subscribe my channel, my beautiful people. Right now I'm at the Cradle Mountain, Clair National Park. As you can see, Franklin Beach's walk is 6 kilometers. This will lead you to the back to the Franklin Beach. The beach is near to the pump house. I think we have a small view of pump house from here as well. Located on the other side of the lake, the Tasmanian Parks and Wildlife Service have a wealth of information on the national park. Hello. It's a great starting point if you are planning a longer walk. That's not the way. Come on.
People grab a place, or are you going to do something else? No, everyone's
Curie. No SD card. I forgot to bring.
No! What are you doing? You are not professional.
You are not professional.
This is Chef Joe.
Merry Christmas!
Chef, thank you so much.
You're welcome, mate. You're welcome.
Thank you. This is how Storehouse Lounge look like after we finish the dinner shift. Lifting up on the chair. Oh, yeah. That's the pump house you can see.
like and subscribe to Nawin's YouTube channel, firant-teys.
Thank you, Joanna.
Thank you.